Did you accidentally block someone on BlueSky or simply change your mind? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock someone and reconnect with them on BlueSky Social. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unblock blocked account on BlueSky. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the BlueSky Social app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, look for a section called Moderation. Here, tap on the Blocked Accounts option to see the list of accounts you've blocked. Browse through the list of blocked accounts. Once you find the person you want to unblock, tap on their name or profile. On the user's profile page, you'll see an option to unblock them. Tap on the Unblock button to remove the block and allow them to interact with you again. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to unblock this person. Tap Yes or Unblock to proceed. Once the process is complete, the person will be unblocked and they can now interact with your profile and posts again. And that's it, you've successfully unblocked an account on BlueSky. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.